Hey, what is up, guys? It's Brennan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the best business insurance companies for you in your small business. Whether you're brand new to getting started with your business, or maybe you've been running your business for a decent amount of time, it's no surprise that it can be a great idea for you to get business insurance in order to protect yourself from liabilities or any potential issues that may arise in your business. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the best companies that you can get business insurance for your small business. And before we dive into things, of course, I do want to mention if you want to check out any of the companies mentioned here in today's video, you can check out those links linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into things. Now, first things first, of course, I do want to take you over to the best business insurance page. And this page is done in partnership with money.com, where we created the list of the best business insurance companies. And if you want to get access to this list here, it'll be linked at the first video link at the video description. It'll be the first link in the video description when you're watching this video here, and it will be up to date as well. So if you do want to follow along, check out this page as a resource whenever you're watching this video. Whenever you're watching this video, the page will be up to date. So go ahead, again, that's at brennanvalesky.com/best business insurance. It will take you right over this page here where you can check out the top business insurance companies, and it will also be specialized for your local market as well. So you can enter in your zip code, so it will only show insurers that actually insure businesses located in your zip code and in your specific area. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the list of the best business insurance companies for small business. Now, of course, it's important to understand that in business there is always risk, as you can see here, but with the coverage for theft, liability, property damage, business interruption that commercial insurance provides, you can help minimize that risk, in which we compare the best business insurance providers in the nation, again, at this page here. Now, one other resource I do want to touch on before we dive into the specific companies as well. Again, if you do want to follow along, it is at the links in the video description if you want to come over to this page here. But first, I do want to also mention that the SBA does also have a good resource on business insurance. I will leave a link to this page here in the video description as well, essentially just stating that, business insurance protects you from unexpected costs of running a business. This can be from accidents, natural disasters, and lawsuits that could potentially run you out of business. It's important to protect yourself with the right insurance depending on your specific business. We'll be getting into all the different types of insurance that are available from these different providers as well. And just taking a look here, of course, you do need to pick the type of business insurance that you need. This can break down from workers' comp, unemployment, disability insurance. So the federal government requires every business with employees to have these following insurances. And then some states also require additional insurance. So it does depend on a state-to-state basis. Again, depending on the type of insurance that you need, depending on the provider. That's general liability insurance, product liability insurance, professional liability insurance, commercial property insurance, home-based business insurance, and business owner's policy. Again, I will leave a link to this page here in the video description as well, so you can kind of take a look and assess your risks, find a reputable licensed agent, shop around, and reassess each year. Now, in terms of shopping around, that's what we're about to get into in terms of the best providers. So as you can see here, we have this list, and our number one choice is the Hartford. So as you've seen here, probably on this page already, right, you're dying to know a little bit more about them. So they offer comprehensive business insurance coverage, and they are one of the top ranked insurance providers. Now, they cover businesses of all sizes and industries. You can customize your level of coverage, and they have over 200 years of experience helping business owners. They also have employee benefits available. If we take a look at the Hartford's website, as you can see here, they also offer auto, home, but one of their primary focuses is on business insurance and commercial insurance solutions when it comes to small business, larger business. So depending on the type of size, your scale of your business, a lot of these different insurance providers can still help you depending on your specific needs. And that's why I would recommend, honestly, getting quotes from a lot of the companies mentioned here in today's video, just because then you can kind of shop around and get good quote ideas as to what one company may offer you may be completely different from another company, or it might, depending on your needs, they might be able to quote you a better price than another company. And also because it is a local aspect to it as well, depending on your specific state and city needs. So that's something something else to keep in mind as well when you're shopping around for business insurance. And you can get a quote today from The Hartford as well. And they service a variety of different types of industries as well, which is one of the other benefits. So you can get a quote from them. They do offer general liability insurance, workers' compensation insurance, professional liability insurance, commercial property insurance, commercial auto insurance, data breach insurance. They also have a variety of other different types of coverages. In terms of the general cost of the average business insurance policy, it can be just less than $100 a month, depending on the premium. For the monthly premium versus the annual premium. Again, you can get a free online quote today from The Hartford. Popular professions or industries, maybe photographers, landscapers, real estate agents, restaurant owners. Depending on the industry, you may have more liability that you need to account for in terms of the type of business insurance that you might need for your specific business. Again, this is The Hartford. Moving along in this list here, we also have Next. Now, Next offers 100% dedicated to small business. So a little bit different from The Hartford, where they also service other aspects of insurance. Next is 100% dedicated to small business, and they offer insurance for dozens of business sectors, from financial services to retail. They have 11 types of coverage available, including general liability, workers' comp, and liquor liability. And you can get, obviously, as you can see here, a fast, free quote online, A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau. If we take a look at Next.com, as you can see here, they are 100% dedicated to small business. So, they're tailored more to just business insurance. So that's their 100% focus. So that with a company like Next is that is what they focus on. So they cover, again, business insurance, general liability insurance, business owner's policy, workers' compensation insurance, commercial auto insurance, professional liability insurance, errors and omissions insurance, tools and equipment insurance, and employment practices liability insurance. Again, each of these companies will help you walk through the what they cover and who we cover aspect. I'm just kind of mentioning that here just so you have a general idea in terms of the different types of industries as well. Again, this could be like sports and fitness, food and beverage, retail, depends on the industry that you're in. But the insurance agents can actually walk you through step by step as well, as far as the type of coverage that you may need for your business when you're getting the quote and going through the quoting process, or when you're actually shopping around, depending on your profession and the type of insurance that you need. Again, all these companies will also help you through the process to help you get the right coverage, again, for your specific needs and your type of liability. Again, they cover like daycares, cleaning, professional services, food, beverage, retail, entertainment, so construction as well, which is also pretty nice with Next. Again, you can get a quick and easy quote online. Again, links are available down in the video description, and they do offer pretty cheap options as well, which is pretty nice with Next. Moving along, next in this list after Next Insurance, we also have is Hiscox. Now, Hiscox is available with online quotes. You can buy a policy in minutes. They file claims online by telephone or mail. They offer online policy management. They have customized plans for small, large, and home-based business insurance solutions, and they have specialists in a wide variety of different industries, and they do offer more than a century in business. So Hiscox has been around for a long, long time. They offer small business insurance, and generally the types of top industries. They have architects and engineering, beauty, contractors, consulting, and freelance, IT, technology, landscaping, marketing. They offer general liability insurance, errors and omissions, professional liability, business owner's policy, cybersecurity insurance, workers' compensation, short-term liability insurance, medical malpractice, and more. So they have umbrella and a variety of different types of business quotes that are business insurance that you can get quotes for. Again, this is dependent on your business's zip code as well, and you can easily get a quote online from Hiscox Insurance, again, for your small business. Again, you could do that even in as fast as 20 seconds just through their online portal here by answering a few questions. Depending on, we provide a service or give advice. We own the commercial building, operate from a home, have more than one employee, computers, business equipment. These are all the types of things that you do need to know when you are going through the quoting process as well. So that's something else to keep in mind, is to have all this information laid out. Now, you maybe as the business owner would very easily know this information, but maybe if you're quoting this for a company, be sure to gather some of that information before you start going through the quoting process as well. Just so you have a good idea as far as what the business actually needs when you are going through quoting the insurance. Maybe if you're looking to migrate policies, or depending on how you're going about doing things, that's something else to keep in mind. And you can see the easy breakdown of like a per personal trainer, monthly cost versus annual cost, like the insurance rates and the total general liability limits. You can get quotes pretty cheap, honestly, starting out, depending on the type of industry that you're in. Again, as you can see here, small businesses encounter unique risks depending on the type of work they do, and Hiscox provides small business insurance for hundreds of professions. So again, that is Hiscox. And moving along, next in this list, we also have is Simply Business. Now, Simply Business does operate a little bit differently from the other companies mentioned in this list. They are instead an insurance provider comparison tool. So you can compare free quotes from trusted insurers, so you can get insured in under 10 minutes. And they offer tailored coverage for a wide array of industries and options to suit every different type of budget. They offer general liability, tool coverage, and more. So in this case, as you can see here, Simply Business allows you to search, compare, and save on small business insurance. So you're able to compare quotes from a variety of different types of top insurers and buy instantly online, so you're not having to like go through a bunch of junk mail or spam calls. And you can do this anytime. You can quickly answer just a few questions, and then you can compare the top quotes from different insurers, including even Hiscox's in their list, as you can see here from the little animation here, as far as the different types of companies that do work with Simply Business. As you can see here, Hiscox is even in their list here. So depending on how you go about doing things, if you want to compare maybe more companies than some of the first insurers that I already mentioned, again, you can go through an aggregation tool like Simply Business, which can help you compare more quotes. Again, depending on your industry, maybe you would rather have more quote comparisons, or maybe it's just another good way to continue to shop around to compare pricing. So maybe you start with the first few in the list, and then you work your way down to Simply Business, and then you can get a better idea of what insurance may end up costing you in your business, again, from some of these best business insurance providers in this list. Again, if you do want to get access to this page here, it will be constantly updated as well, and it is dependent on your zip code that you enter in as well in order to find the best business insurance for your small business, or really no matter what type of size and scale that your business is at. Again, link to this page will be first link down in the video description. That's brandonvalesky.com/best business insurance. Again, that will take you over to this page here where you can find the top business insurers for your area. Guys, if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. But anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.